Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to enable followers on Facebook. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video. Process is similar to web version, Android version and iPhone version also. This is not web version. I use Android emulator for your easy understanding and for this tutorial. So follow my mouse pointer. First, you have to log into your Facebook account. Currently I am logged into my Facebook account. Then after, you can see there is a profile icon in top right corner. Just tap on it. In my case it is 3 lines. Then after, you have to scroll down a little bit and you can find there's an option called setting and privacy. Just tap on it. Then again tap on setting. Then after, you have to scroll down until you find audience and visibility section. There is another option called followers and public content under the audience and visibility section. Just tap on followers and public content. Okay, you can see the first option, who can follow me. Currently it is set as friends. Just tap on it. You have to set it as public to enable followers, but you can see it is deactivated. Do you know why? Yeah, I will show you how you can fix this issue. You have to go back again back and go to home, and you have to tap on your profile icon and scroll down, and you can see there is a 3 dots in left corner. Just tap on it. You can see this is the problem we faced because your profile is locked. If you change your followers to public, you have to unlock your profile. So just tap on unlock profile and tap again on unlock and tap on unlock your profile. Now it is unlocking. Okay, you can see you unlock your profile. Tap on OK. Go back again, and you have to again go to top right corner and go to setting and privacy section and go to setting again and scroll down again, go to audience and visibility section and tap on followers and public content again. Then tap on again who can follow me. Yes, you can see that is option now activated. Just tap on it. Now it is set as public, and there are 2 options also here. Who can see your followers on your timeline? It is set as public, and you can change it to friends or only me. And who can see the people, pages and list you follow? That is also set as public, and you can change it to these options also. So this is how you can enable followers on your Facebook. I hope you gain some knowledge from this video. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like the video, and see you soon in new video. Thank you very much.